Hey guys, so yesterday I went and got my new iPhone 12 Pro from the Apple Store and set it up. And immediately, the first thing I tried was to download the Speedtest app to see how fast 5G was compared to 4G. So here I have my 12 Pro on the left, and I have my iPhone 10 on the right. 12 Pro has the 5G, and iPhone 10 has the 4G LTE modem. So now I'm going to show you guys the speed tests because I was pleasantly surprised. And just to let you guys know, this is on the T-Mobile network in a low to medium signal setting inside an apartment building. Here we go. So there we go. First speed test done. 55 megabytes per second on the iPhone 12 Pro and 22 on the iPhone 10. And just to be sure, we are going to switch sides to see if it changes. Here we go. The right side is clearly the better side, but it's still a lot faster on the 5G. For some reason, the upload speeds are faster on the old phone, and I don't know why, but there's the speed test. Thanks for watching, guys.